Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna learn cup and handle formation. I believe that you see this pattern in most of charts, even if you're new in the crypto, because this is kind of famous pattern. It's easy to find, easy to identify. That's why, because of the shape. That's why I believe that it's gonna be easier than rest of formation. So let's start to see what is it. When we see a cup and handle, we will see this type of formation, okay? We call it cup and handle because this is cup, this is handle. It looks like coffee cup. That's why people are telling that. That's why it's called like that. When we see this shape on graphic and when we see there is a drop down price, let's say it's end of the bearish market, and with my shape so basically you're gonna see some things like that. Yeah, I'm not the best plotter I can say, but you got what I mean. When there is a bearish market, there will be some, drop down price, and when the price came on some certain levels, it will give some kind of support. It will be kind of curve, same as it is. The price will get rejected on some certain point, but it will make some curve in the same time. So when it make it after, it will make small handle like that, another curve. By the way, this is not necessary. When you see that, it might make the breakup, retest, and make it long, make it rise over there. Also, it can make a handle. Both is work. It's just not necessary to expect some handle over there. When you see that formation, you need to know that this is sign of end of bearish market, because this is kind of reversal pattern, and when you see that, you will expect one breakup, retest, and rise, same height as the previous cup, basically like that. And the things which makes it to identify easy, the empty spot in here, because you will able to see this curve, and also you will able to see some empty spot inside of it. These lines not have to be straight, same as here, of course. It might be like that. Like that. That's okay. As long as it's rejecting on same certain point with using curve, that's okay for us. So, let me show you on chart. When you want to identify a cup and handle, as you can see, there is a drop, and as you see, there is some price rejecting on some certain points. You can make your straight line over there, and you can see your curve. As you can see, it's going like that, like this and this. So then you can expect a breakup. If it's not, you can expect another curve as handle. When I see this formation, I will know the price drop down, but on some certain point, when it's made its handle, when handle is over, it makes some breakup with strong candle, as you can see over here, and retest and rise again. When this rise, I will know that it will rise same as previous cup height. So when I put it here, as you can see, it came exactly right price, 25%. When the candle happen, you can, know that this cup handle cannot drop, cannot make lower low than previous one. So if you make some long position over here, you can earn 25%. But if you wanna, make sure position, you can wait for breakup, and after retest, you can open a position 13%. With leverage, it's long. But if you're making over here, I can suggest you to make spot trading, because it's just, gosh, 25%. Even with spot, it's huge profit, as you know. Or just make 2x, like, even small leverage, that's okay. It will give you so huge. And it's just 4-hour time frame. Basically, you're gonna wait just maybe, till here to here, not even 2 days. In 2 days, you will earn 50% with, lower leverage. You will earn 50% profit. That's just, perfect. I can say it. I can say about cup and handle, it is surest pattern. There is too many pattern. As you know, triangle, I said 8%, and other one is like, of course, all of them high percentage after whatever it does, break up or breakdown. But the cup and handle is surest pattern ever, I can say it, because it's gonna work. Like when you see that, it's just, less risky. When you see that, most of time, it's gonna work. Of course, not 100%. There is no 100% in crypto market, in any market, because there might be some news, there might be some problem. Like, we still have Trump, so we cannot say 100% ever. But there is a high percentage, 8%, 90%. And to, avoid yourself, avoid from some losses, you have to use some stop losses. Even you make some stop losses, you might, lose just 5% maximum or something like that. It's up to your leverage and up to your entry price. It's just okay, because as you can see, you can earn 25% in a day without leverage, without, with even spot trading. So 5%, 10%, that's okay. If you lost this much, just do not worry at all, cause when you make another 2 trade, you can take it back. That's it. Just try to find your own cup and handle on any chart. I know you're gonna see almost like, all of them. Of course, it must be, old coin like Solana or BNB or something like that. Just don't tell me there was some coin, it's launched 2 months ago and I couldn't find. I cannot say about them, but if you find some coin which is in first 100 list at CoinMarketCap, I can say that you can find it over there. And just make some practice. I know that you're gonna catch your own cup handle after this lesson.